Hello, good morning. 20th of June, class 8 ABCD. Today revision of FA1 syllabus. Squares and square root, cubes and cube root and mensuration. So I frame here 15 multiple choice questions. First one, choose the correct answers. Which one is correct? Which one is correct? A 1 4 8 16, B 2 4 9 12, C 4 9 16 20, D 9 16 25 36. Your answer is D, because 9 16 25 36 all are perfect square numbers. Second, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 consecutive odd numbers. How many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 11. So this is equal to what? Their sum is equal to 11 square. 11 square means 121. Next, how many non-perfect square numbers lie between 109 square and 109 square and 110 square? So 109 twos are 200. 2n. N is your one of the smallest natural number, that is both the natural numbers are consecutive squares of natural numbers. 109 square, next is 110 squares. 2n. 2 into 109, 218. The smallest number by which 11 must be multiplied so that the product becomes a perfect square. So if we multiply 1100 by prime numbers 2, it is not a perfect square. 3, 33, no. 4, 44, no. 5, no. Next 7, no. 11, 11 jar 121, 12,100. It is a perfect square. So smallest number is 11. 2.25 square is 2.25 square is, so to find the square of 2, to find the square of a decimal number is 2.25. After point there are two decimal places, so decimal inserted 4 digits to left. 1 2 3 1 2 1 1 2 3 4 4. So this will be your right answers. D. The value of 0.00000729 is, or find the square root of these numbers. After point there are how many pairs? 1 2 3 4. 0 0 2 7. 0.0027. This is your A is your right answer. The square root of 3.052009 has dash decimal places. One, after point we can pairing starting from this left to right. 1 2 3 3. Your answer is what? This one, A, 3. Next, the cube of 0.11 is 1331, but after point there are two decimal places, so we insert decimal places after 6 places. Your right answer is 1331. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 0.001331. The cube root of 0.000001 is cube root of, this is equal to the cube root of 0.001. Next, evaluate cube root of this into square root of this minus 1. So cube root of this is equal to 3 upon 2 into 3 upon 2. 9 upon 4 minus 1. So 4 1 4, 9 minus 4 5. C is your right answer. 11th, the area of a general quadrilateral is A is equal to half into B into H square unit, 2 into LB plus BH plus HL square unit, 1/2 into B1 plus B2 into H square unit, half into AC into H1 plus H2 square unit. This last will be your right answers. Verify Euler formulas for square pyramid. So a square pyramid has 5 faces, 5 vertices and 8 edges. 5, 5, 8. The sum of the number of faces and vertices is equal to edges plus 2. Next 13. The surface area of a cube whose volume is 729 cubic meter is. From this volume of a cube we can find side of a cube. Side of a cube is equal to 729 and side cube is equal to, this is 9 cube, side is equal to 9. So therefore total surface area of a cube is equal to 6L square. It is equal to 6 into L square, 9 into 9, 81. 81, 6 are 486 square meter. Next 14th, find the curved surface area of the cylinder whose radius is 14 decimeter and height is 15 meter. Convert this radius into meter. 14 decimeter upon 10, 1.4. So curved surface area is equal to 2 pi RH. When we substituting the value of 2 pi RH, 2 into 22 upon 7, 22 upon 7 into 14 upon 10 into 15, it is equal to 132 square meter. And next, the area of the figure will be, this figure is given, the solid is given in the shape of cuboid. Length, breadth, height. So total surface area is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. LB 300, BH 150, HL 200. 300 plus 150 plus 200, 650. 652s are 1300 square meter is your. So today I frame 15 questions from chapter 3, square root, cube and cube root and mensuration. So revise all these 3 chapters and Monday will be your revision test of maths. So revise it properly. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.